What's going on, traders? This is Tyler here. Today we're going to be going over MBIO on the stock ticker Mustang Bio Incorporated. We're going to go ahead and start off on the 30-minute chart. We're going to be talking about why this gapped up today and why this ran. It was a pretty big volatile day for this stock. As you can see, it went from 276 up to 1022. Also see that this float of this stock is 17 million shares, so that is a pretty good. That's pretty much what we're looking for. We want to be under 20 million for sure. You can always trade stocks above 20 million share float. That's no problem. But usually to get the strong runners, these insane moves, you need under 20 million share float. It happens though. It still happens. So anyways, we'll go ahead and talk about why this happened today though, or yesterday actually. This news came out. Mustang Bio stock soars to near fourfold gain after deal to commercialize bubble boy disease treatment. And you can see they entered a licensing agreement with St. Jude's Research Hospital. So that's very good news, obviously, for that company. So St. Jude's Hospital is a big partner to have, definitely. So that is definitely good news. So that's probably why in the morning went from 272 and it looks like it opened up at 650 and then ran up to 1020 and then came back down here. So definitely a very volatile day for MBIO. We'll go ahead and talk about the potential continuation trade on this one. Let's go ahead and start off by drawing our support and resistance. We got our support sitting here at about 560. I would say that's our strong support. You can see we hit it here and we hit it here again, and now we're touching it. It looks to be like it's undecided at this point though. Okay, so now our resistance, I'm going to go ahead and put the resistance right here, even though definitely keep in mind that there is big sellers up here as well. But for the sake of keeping it a clean slate, we're going to put it here at $8. And then we're going to go ahead and put the median here at about, let's see, 680. So, but also keep in mind this is another resistance level, but for now, here at 1025 it looks like. But we're going to work within this zone for right now. We'll go ahead and zoom in. Now, this is the 30-minute chart, so definitely keep that in mind. You can see that we pretty much just ranged inside the median and the support zone underneath the Kijinsen here and the VWAP, Tikinsen as well. You can see though we're above the moving average still on the 30-minute chart. So overall it looks to be undecided. So that's okay. That's alright to be undecided. Now if you're holding shares, you're looking to go bullish tomorrow, whatever the case may be. For me, I'm going to look to trade this bullish scalp tomorrow. Or not tomorrow, but Monday. Then before I even get interested at all, I'm not interested yet, but for me to get interested, I want to see a break back above the Tikinsen, Kijinsen, and VWAP and the median here. So at any point in the day or whenever this happens, I have an alert set for when we pass 680. So when we pass 680, that will give me the heads up, hey, I better start watching this. Next thing I want to see is a retest. I want to see it pull back and retest off that 680 zone, off that median line. And I want to see it stay above the VWAP, Kijinsen, Tikinsen, and moving average. Once I see that stabilization, and once I see it start to move up again, that's when I really take notice. And as you can see, I wait for it to stabilize here on 680. And once I see it pick that bullish momentum up. I have my stop order ready right above that pullback point, and for me personally, and I ride it up to that next resistance, which would be right up here at $8. For me, I'm in and out because it looks like $7.18 to $8. That would be a great move for me personally, but your strategy might be different. Just work it however you do. Some people like to sell 3/4, some people like to sell half and see if we break through, to continue the same way we did here and just follow that continuation trade up to that resistance up here at $10. So those are definitely some trades I'd look out for if you're looking to go long on this stock on Monday. Now, if you're looking to go short, if you're looking to sell against the buyers, then you're going to want to see this break below 560 here. You want to see a clean close and break and close below the 560 line. That way, that's the heads up. We're already basically sitting on that line, but you don't want to just enter, right? You don't want to just enter a short position right here, because what if we just go right back up like that? You know what I mean? You need to have extra confirmation. So for me, I want to see it break below down here and close. And then I want to see it have one more grasp for air. I want to see it come up for one more grasp of air. Once that happens, then I'm looking for it to, once again, just like up here, how I waited for it to go past that pullback point. I do the same thing when I short. I have my stop order ready, and right here it looks like the moving average would come in and we would cut through the moving average, which is also another thing you want when going short. You want to be below these signal indicators. And then that's basically the first step. Then the second step is to see that retest off the support you broke. Third step is be ready for when it passes that pullback point, plus everything else is in line. All the rules need to be right for me anyways. Your strategy might be different, however you trade. But for me, I follow the rules, follow all rules that I have set. And then, I take my entry here, ride down to the next resistance down there. So I hope this video helped everybody. I really appreciate you watching it all. Have a wonderful day. Hey there, you must have liked this video. If you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you can get more videos just like this one. And don't forget, make sure to sign up at tradewithtyler.net, where you can learn my day trading strategies and get my trade alerts for every trade that I take. If you'd like to support me and try on my alerts first, check out my Patreon in the description.